Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV14 sounds like something stuck inside, you're not alone. This issue often occurs when debris or hair becomes lodged in the motor or brush bar, causing unusual noises and potentially leading to further damage if left unchecked. Ignoring this sound can lead to overheating or even a complete motor failure, so it's best to address it promptly. To carry out this repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and possibly a soft brush to clean out debris. First, ensure your Dyson SV14 is turned off and disconnected from the power source. Begin by carefully removing the dust container. This will give you access to the screw securing the outer casing. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located around the base of the vacuum cleaner. Take care not to lose them. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the casing away from the main body. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you may have missed. Now, locate the motor and inspect it for any visible obstructions. You may find hair or debris wrapped around the motor shaft or brush bar. To remove the brush bar, loosen the screws holding it in place using your flathead screwdriver. Pull the brush bar out carefully, ensuring no wires get snagged in the process. If you notice significant wear on the brush bar or motor, it's advisable to replace them. When replacing the motor, ensure you disconnect any attached cables by gently pulling them out, being cautious not to damage any connectors. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've replaced the faulty component, reassemble the vacuum by reversing the steps. Start by securing the brush bar back in place, tightening the screws to ensure it doesn't wobble. Reattach the outer casing and replace the screws, ensuring they are tightened firmly but not overly so, as this may crack the casing. Finally, plug your Dyson SV14 back in and turn it on to check if the noise has ceased. If everything sounds normal, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the brush bar and check for blockages in the hose. Additionally, ensure that you're using the vacuum on appropriate surfaces to avoid picking up larger debris that could cause clogs. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.